Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing vinaigrette full guide. Combine 3 parts oil with 1 part acid and whisk vigorously. Start with simple ingredients and master a basic ratio before experimenting. Emulsify with mustard or an egg yolk for creamier texture. Adjust salt, sweetness, and acidity to your taste, and remember to taste often while you tweak the dressing to perfection. You can easily customize vinaigrettes by swapping acids, oils, and flavorings. Try balsamic versus red wine vinegar to change the base character. Add citrus juice for brightness or soy sauce for umami depth. Infuse oil with garlic or toast spices for extra warmth. Small tweaks like a pinch of sugar or a splash of citrus create big changes, so experiment and write down combos you love. Whisking, shaking, and blending each produce different textures and mouthfeel. For a quick emulsion, shake ingredients in a jar with a tight lid for 30 seconds. Use a blender for creamy, stable dressings when making larger batches. Refrigerate vinaigrette in a sealed container and warm briefly to re-emulsify before serving. Always check aroma and taste before use, and discard if any off smells or separation indicate spoilage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.